For me, foundation is the canvas for color. Yunmi's eyes have already been done, so applying foundation afterward makes it easier for me to avoid overloading the skin. It's a balance between natural and sophisticated makeup. I start with a perfecting primer, which moisturizes and plumps the skin, refines the texture, and prolongs the makeup hold. Then I apply the luminous matte skincare foundation. I always work the texture on my palette to warm it up. I place some foundation on the T-zone, drawing it outward before moving to the facial contour. The texture spreads very easily, and the dab is all it takes to even out the complexion. The angled shape and density of the Perfecteur brush are perfect for generous application, as well as for areas that require more precision. Finally, I apply the silky blush Rose Ambré to enhance the complexion. And there you have it.